Hello, Subcribbles. I was looking for a way to get rainbow colored text, but couldn't find a good video. So I made one. By the end of this video, you should be able to have a rainbow text in your app. So let's get started. I already made the entire function ahead of time, but I will still go over it. The variables at the top of the function are pretty self-explanatory. R, G, and B correspond to red, green, and blue. And T corresponds to the amount that can be added or subtracted every X seconds. In my function, I made the changes every tenth of a second. Getting into the real meat of this function, you will see a lot of if-else-if statements. The reason I did this was to copy this. Show slider. As you can see, it is a rainbow. All we have to do is see the pattern it has. However, as you can also see, it is in hexadecimal, which you may or may not be familiar with. FF just means 255 in decimal. I can teach you how to read hexadecimal, but that is not the point of the video. Anyways, every tenth of a second we change the color using the setProperty method. However, the current function I have right now isn't generic enough to work with every text or item. Let's change that. We want to create an ID parameter, and change the ID from the setProperty method. Now let's call the function with a corresponding ID. As you can see, it works. Now we can take this a step further by making other things be rainbow colored. Add another parameter called property. Next, change the property in the setProperty method to be the property parameter. Now change the function call to include the property we want to change. As you can see, the button's color is also changing. You can keep exploring how to use this on different things. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me pay college, please. The project link is in the description if you want to check this out.